Hello, good morning, children. I'm going to give you the second video. Before that, in the first video for the chapter 9, I have explained about the inheritance, Mental's law of inheritance. So, we have introduced a lot of new words like parent, pure parent, traits, character, allele. All these words were introduced. I think you are familiar with all these words. Now, we are going to see really the Mental's real experiment using one gene. And one good news, children, this topic is also a topic for Standard 12 in Chapter 5. So, the paper which I'm going to use the Standard 12 Chapter 5 only. But it is for you also. For you, it is Chapter 9. For them, it is Chapter 5. This particular topic, maybe for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it's common. So now if you learn, I think in 12th standard, you need not learn again. So this is a wonderful topic. Let's see. Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the unit 7, genetics and evolution. Chapter 5. Inheritance of one gene. So last video, we have seen about the law of inheritance by Mental. Now, how he had done his experiments. This is his real experiments. So what he did is, he has selected some parents in a pea plant, and he was very particular. He has selected pure plants. Pure plant means I can write it as pure tall plants, and he crossed with pure dwarf plant. These tall and dwarf are alleles, and these are one character. Height is the one character. So one means mono. Remember the word mono, that we are going to use it later. So height is the one trait. Two alleles are the tall and the dwarf, and he is very particular selecting the pure tall and pure dwarf. And you know, the parents always exist in diploid nature. Because they got one nucleus from father, one nucleus from the mother, and they become a single offspring. When two nucleus are there fused, and it is called diploid. And remember this word which we are going to use it. And he is a math teacher, I said. So he wants to denote this pure plant using the math symbols like A, B, C, like that. But he want to select the character itself, the letter character it denotes. So first he has selected tall plant. So he has selected capital T. And the dwarf means this is coming very less time. So, and it is a very recessive. So he has selected small letter of the same word. And in a parent, how many the chromosomes are in pairs, no? So it is a diploid in nature, so there must be 2. This is how he has denoted the parents. Then later, the cross was made. So when the cross was made, what happens before cross? The gametes formed. So what is formed? Gametes formed. While gamete formation, what happened? And gametes are haploid. So by the process of meiosis, they get separate. The diploid become haploid. So when they become haploid, naturally it will become like this. Here it will become like this. Now you see, gamete means you have to circle. This is a rule. Denote a gamete, you have to circle. Now you see, gamete is haploid, but parent is diploid. Now what happened? Then this may be a male, this may be a female, or this may be a male, or this may be a female. So I will take it male, female. And how the cross is made, and this was called Punnett square. Punnett discovered this. You make a cross here, say for example male on this side, female on this side. So male, this is male. So how many gametes? Here one gamete, here one gamete. Female, the gametes are like this, these two. Now when you make the cross, how you will get capital T, a small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. All are alike. So what he got is 100% tall plants. And he was surprised because he has taken a dwarf plant, but he got only tall plants. So is this tall and this tall is equal? No, this is called a pure tall, and this one he called it as hybrid. So this is called a hybrid tall. So he is not calling it as a pure tall, and all these plants which came in this is called first generation, F1 generation, all are hybrid tall, 100% hybrid tall in the first generation. So then he want to cross these two plants, these two hybrids. How he done it, we'll see. See, he has taken a hybrid, another hybrid. Both are hybrids. One is a male, one is a female. Now you want to cross. How many characters he has taken? This is one character. That is height. That is why this is called monohybrid cross. This is the word is used as monohybrid cross. And what happened? This is a parent here. This is a parent here. And what is next? Gamete. How the gametes are formed. Is it correct? No. You have to circle this. This is the correct formation of circling. First is parent, next gamete formation. Once the gametes are formed, they will get fused. Then Punnett square can be drawn. You can make male, female, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So both are hybrids. So capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t and small t. Now what is the expression here? You see, this is tall, 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 dwarf. So tall, dwarf, 3 tall, 1 dwarf. This is the expression. And this is just by looking from outside. He call it as phenotypic ratio. This is called phenotypic ratio. This is F2 generation. But it is this tall is a pure tall? All are pure tall? No, there is a difference. But if you see inside, only you can find the difference. That's why he call it as phenotypic ratio. we call phenotypic ratio. How this tall? There's a tall of this nature, again tall of this nature, dwarf of this nature. How many like this? 1 is to how many like this? 2. How many like this? 1. So what is the ratio? This is genotypic ratio. This is phenotypic ratio. And he has used only one character, so it's called mono. When he got a result like this repeatedly using the pea plant, using 7 different characters, which we have already seen in the last, like a pod shape, pod color, seed shape, seed color, flower shape, flower position, and also the height of the stem. In all these, he got the same results. So this is called monohybrid cross. So are you clear? Then using this, we are going to find out the laws he has discovered using this, which a small break. You go through this and I will be coming with a new video.